Welcome to this detailed overview of Crypto.com, your gateway to the crypto world. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to make the most of this powerful platform. Crypto.com offers users a secure, versatile crypto wallet alongside a comprehensive suite of tools for trading, staking, and earning rewards on their digital assets. To start, head over to Crypto.com, where you can easily create an account with just an email address and a few verification steps. Once inside, you'll be greeted with an intuitive dashboard showcasing your portfolio, current market trends, and quick access to trading and wallet features. At the core of Crypto.com is its ability to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies at competitive rates. You can fund your account with fiat currencies, credit cards, or other crypto wallets. Navigate to the Buy Crypto tab to select your preferred coin and the amount you want to purchase. You'll also find detailed analytics and real-time market data to help guide your investment choices. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Crypto.com's staking feature allows you to lock up your cryptocurrency and earn rewards over time. The longer and more substantial the stake, the higher the potential return. The platform also includes a Visa card option, enabling users to spend their crypto directly while earning cashback and other perks on purchases. Additionally, Crypto.com offers a robust exchange feature where advanced traders can engage with limit orders, margin trading, and other sophisticated tools. Security is a priority, with Crypto.com implementing industry-leading measures such as cold storage, multi-factor authentication, and insurance for digital assets. If you're seeking a user-friendly app to monitor your portfolio, Crypto.com delivers seamless integration across devices. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to cryptocurrency, Crypto.com caters to all levels of experience. Don't forget to take advantage of their generous welcome bonus. Sign up today using this link, https://lnk.do/jquucoif. Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency with Crypto.com? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials and crypto news.